I don't think it will be possible. So let's us talk about factors that a Christian employer should consider when making a decision on salary for an employee. If you are a Christian employer, what should you consider before making the decision on the salary to pay your employee? Number one, hours of work. You have to consider how many hours are they working. You have also to consider how are they qualified, their level of education. Is this a person with a diploma? Do they have a what? Specialized education whereby they have a master's or a PhD? Also, experience of an employee. Someone who is beginning to work now and someone who's worked for 10 years. There is experience there. You also have to consider that. You also have to consider the value of work. Yes, some of the jobs are very valuable, like the Kenya Examination Council. Yes, it's a Kenya National Examination Council pays so well. If you... Also there is the needs of the employee are considered. Yes, the needs of the employee is according to the state of economy of the country. If let's say it's in Zimbabwe, is it in Zimbabwe whereby people buy bread for 50,000? Yes, so you have to consider your is it for 50,000? Their money doesn't have value or something. You have to consider the state of economy, and then you also have to consider the risk of the job. Like I told you, the one for KPLC, another risk job. There are those companies whereby you do what? You are using what? Metal. Is it burning the metal or burning coal? That is a risky job. You also have to consider that when you're offering what? When you're deciding the payment to or the remuneration. Yes. Also, you have to consider the profits. The profits that you get or the return of the work. If you're getting a high profit, I don't think which company usually has which company highly pays their employees according to their profits. Yes, EABL used to do. Even today they do. There are good jobs out there. I don't know why you don't work there. And I don't want to talk about it because I'm a Christian. I don't want to talk so much about EABL. If I tell you about EABL, it will not be good. But if you get a chance to go there, if you do, let's say you do BCom when you go to the university, or you do anything or procurement, something like that in the university, or you even if you do BCom, you do the option of marketing, or you do any option in BCom, then you're employed by them. You'll be paid. They pay so well. They also have other incentives. That's why I keep on telling you, just do your research, do your duty. They are good jobs as long as you're educated. Don't be lied to. They're jobs. Yes. You also have to consider there's a Christian employer. When you're making decision on the salary, you also have to consider the ability to pay. Can you be able to pay, to give this pay? Do you have that money? That yes. And also the amount of work to be done. Yes, the amount of work to be done. Yes, maybe if it's a lot of work, you pay handsomely. That's all, and that is where we are going to